What if the car you choose today determines how stress-free your next decade will be? Imagine never worrying about breakdowns, costly repairs, or unexpected failures. In 2025, reliability is everything, and these 5 cars promise to keep you on the road without a hitch. But which one will truly stand the test of time? Let's find out. We have handpicked 5 cars that dominate the reliability charts, each excelling in durability, maintenance costs, and real-world performance. Let's dive in. The last one will absolutely shock you. 2025 Mazda CX90, the reliable family SUV. The Mazda CX90 is not just reliable, it is a statement of sophistication. With its Kodo design language, the CX90 features a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that remains timeless. The aluminum and high-strength steel construction ensures durability, reducing the risk of wear and tear. Inside, the CX90 is built to withstand years of use. Premium Napa leather, real wood trims, and soft touch materials make the cabin feel luxurious, yet sturdy. The 12.3-inch infotainment system is designed for long-term software support, meaning fewer glitches and longer usability. Under the hood, the CX90 offers a 3.3-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine, delivering 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The mild hybrid system improves fuel efficiency while reducing engine strain, leading to a longer lifespan. With Mazda's reputation for reliability, a robust build, and a well-proven engine, the CX90 is one of the most durable 3-row SUVs of 2025. But if you want something compact yet legendary for its reliability, the next car is the perfect pick. 2025 Honda Civic, the everyday legend. The Honda Civic has been a symbol of dependability for decades, and the 2025 model continues that legacy. Its clean, aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance and ensures minimal wear over time. The stiffened chassis improves longevity, making it more resistant to road damage. Inside, Honda keeps it simple yet durable. High-quality synthetic leather, a clutter-free dashboard, and an updated infotainment system with long-term software support make this cabin designed for years, a stress-free use. The 1.5-liter turbocharged engine produces 180 horsepower, while the hybrid version offers even better fuel efficiency and reduced engine wear. Honda's engineering ensures low maintenance costs and impressive longevity. The Honda Civic is the perfect mix of affordability, efficiency, and durability, making it an unbeatable option for reliability. Next up, we have a luxury SUV that proves high performance and reliability can go hand in hand. 2025 Porsche Cayenne, the luxury workhorse. The Porsche Cayenne is not just about luxury, it is built to last. The 2025 model features a reinforced aluminum body that is both lightweight and highly resistant to corrosion, ensuring long-term durability. Porsche is known for using high-end materials that age gracefully. Genuine leather, brushed aluminum accents, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system ensure that the Cayenne's interior feels brand new for years. The 3-liter turbocharged V6 delivers 355 horsepower, and Porsche's dual-clutch PDK transmission is one of the most reliable in the industry. Unlike some performance SUVs, the Cayenne is engineered to handle high mileage effortlessly, a rare combination of luxury, performance, and longevity. The Cayenne proves that premium SUVs can also be the most dependable. Now let's talk about a game changer in the EV world, Tesla's most affordable model yet. 2025 Tesla Model 2, the affordable EV that lasts. The Tesla Model 2 may be small, but its design is optimized for longevity. The lack of a traditional grille means fewer moving parts, while the high-strength steel and aluminum frame increases crash resistance and durability. Tesla keeps the interior minimal with no unnecessary buttons that could fail over time. The 15-inch touchscreen is future-proof with constant over-the-air updates, ensuring that the Model 2 remains cutting-edge for years. Tesla's new lithium iron phosphate LFP battery gives the Model 2 a 250-mile range with extremely low degradation, meaning it can last well beyond 300,000 miles with minimal battery loss. With Tesla's advanced battery technology and constant software updates, the Model 2 is one of the most future-proof cars of 2025. Finally, we end with a compact SUV that has set new benchmarks for dependability, the Ford Puma. 2025 Ford Puma, the small SUV that goes the distance. The Ford Puma is designed for urban and highway use, featuring a reinforced frame that can withstand long-term road stress. The bold grille, LED lighting, and aerodynamic design make it a stylish yet sturdy choice. Inside, the Ford Puma features durable materials that resist wear. The Sync 4 infotainment system is designed to last, with frequent updates and easy-to-use features. The 1-liter EcoBoost mild hybrid engine delivers 155 horsepower, focusing on low fuel consumption and reduced engine strain, extending the car's lifespan. The Ford Puma is a masterclass in efficiency and practicality, offering a long-lasting, low-maintenance SUV option. So, which of these 5 cars is your pick for the most reliable in 2025? According to Consumer Reports, these 5 models have been ranked among the most dependable cars of 2025 based on owner satisfaction, predicted reliability scores, and long-term performance data. The Mazda CX90 leads among SUVs for its durable build and refined powertrain. The Honda Civic remains a top choice for affordability and long-lasting performance. The Porsche Cayenne stands out as a luxury SUV that does not compromise on dependability. The Tesla Model 2, with its advanced battery technology, is expected to outlast many traditional gas-powered cars. And finally, the Ford Puma continues to impress with its practical design and efficiency. From the Mazda CX90's family-friendly strength to the Honda Civic's legendary dependability, the Porsche Cayenne's luxury durability, the Tesla Model 2's cutting-edge EV reliability, and the Ford Puma's compact toughness, each car on this list has proven itself. Which of these cars would you trust for the next decade? Let us know in the comments, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the most exciting cars of 2025. In a world where reliability can save you thousands in repairs and give you peace of mind, these 5 cars prove they are built to last. Whether you are after the family-friendly strength of the Mazda CX90, the legendary dependability of the Honda Civic, the luxury durability of the Porsche Cayenne, the future-proof innovation of the Tesla Model 2, or the practical toughness of the Ford Puma, each one offers a worry-free driving experience. So, which one would you trust for the next decade? Let us know in the comments, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more insights on the best cars of 2025.